Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to write text in a box in Photoshop or many ways. I have a text box, create a new layer, click the text, right click, type horizontal type tool and type vertical type tool. Okay. Again create a new layer, type horizontal type tool and type anything. Write text in a box. Okay. Then double click, align left, right, middle and click this character paragraph. See this, so left, right, middle and see this box, click. Okay, press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag it, resize text and again align, hold Ctrl select, align text left, right, middle and another way, up, down, middle, center, add drop shadow. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.